Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo VESA screen truss mount. When you need to mount a TV screen or monitor to a truss or any other tubing up to 2 inches in diameter, the Kupo VESA screen truss mount is a space-saving, easy mounting solution. The VESA screen truss mount consists of a strong 5mm thick rolled steel bracket with holes drilled for both standard VESA configurations, 75mm on the inside and 100mm on the outside, attached to 2 slim half couplers that will fit around tubing up to 2 inches in diameter. The couplers slide into mounting slots to accommodate 11.8 to 15.7 inch truss systems. Alternatively, since the VESA plate is square and the 2 couplers are mounted to the bracket by heavy-duty bolts, they can be turned 90 degrees to mount the bracket vertically on a single tube or light stand. Let's mount this monitor to our truss. Open the coupler by loosening the wing nut until it is clear of the coupler and swing the bolt out so the coupler can open freely. Just a warning, the locking wing nut is designed to resist loosening under vibrations or torque, so do not force the locking wing nut all the way off the thread as it will be difficult to put back on. Before mounting the TV or monitor to the VESA screen truss mount, make sure the couplers are aligned with the 2 vertical tubes on the corners of the truss. If not aligned, take a 17mm wrench and loosen the nut securing the couplers to the truss mount, slide the couplers along the slot to the right positions, and tighten the bolts until snug. Now attach your mounting plate to the monitor using the included screws with a screwdriver. Make sure the couplers are open. Get a friend or 2, depending upon the size of the screen you are mounting, and place the open couplers against the vertical tubes on the truss. Close the back half of the coupler and swing the locking bolt back through the notch and tighten the wing nut until secure. Repeat with the other side. Now you're ready for the big game. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.